So, hi, dear Capricorn. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of Feb. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. If it is not resonating, not your story because it's general. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box and find the links for the same. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below. So, let's start Capricorn. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see Capricorn, the energy attached to you, what they are feeling for you right now at this present moment. We have the Three of Swords. Someone is quite heartbroken. Something is going on in the situation where someone is feeling very heartbroken and very hurt. Something is happening here. Let me clarify the Three of Swords here. Let's see what's happening. We have the Devil, the Seven of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. There is a third party dynamic between you guys. Heavy third party reading alerted. This is Capricorn. Someone is feeling heartbroken over the fact that there is a third party involvement between you guys. Either you cheated on them, or they cheated on you, or you did something wrong behind their back, or they did something wrong. Whatever the case may be, someone is waiting for the time when they will be able to move on from the pain that they're experiencing because of this betrayal that you have given them or they have given you. Doesn't matter who cheated on whom or who created this third party dynamic, but this person is quite heartbroken and sad here. Now the third party can be romantic third party, it could be money issues, it could be addictions, it could be anything, right? It's not always romantic third parties, but this person is quite heartbroken over third party issues between you and them, they're waiting for the time when they will be over the heartbreak and the pain that they're experiencing right now. God, I hate these kind of readings, but I have to do this just for the sake of like giving the clarity to the people who are watching. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Two of Swords. You're on the crossroads. You're not able to see the clear picture of situation ahead of you. There is something going on that you're not very sure about, and you're feeling like you're on the crossroads. Right? Let's clarify the Two of Swords here. We have the Chariot, the Eight of Swords, the Magician. So you feel like you are trapped in a situation and you're manifesting a way out. Hmm? You are feeling you are in some kind of mental jail, and the more you are trying to get out of this mental jail, the more it's kind of giving you stressful energies, and you're manifesting this energy of gaining the clarity and getting out of this mental jail, getting out of feeling like trapped in a situation kind of a deal. Okay, okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Cappies. We have the Chariot. So, okay. Their intention is to keep moving forward. Capricorn, they're so heartbroken, they don't want to even look back and think about it twice. It's like something in them is bothering them too much. Something about this situation is bothering them too much that they just want to move on to the next chapter of their life from the situation. Let me clarify the Chariot. We have the Queen of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Five of Swords. It's like they just want to take the charge of their life in their own hands. They want to take a stand for themselves, and they want to protect themselves from being hurt or used again in this situation. I don't know who did what with whom here in this situation, but they're telling me very clearly and honestly that they're too much heartbroken right now to even think about the situation between you and them, and they just want to focus on themselves and move on from the situation because they can't like let go of something very painful, okay, that they're experiencing in the situation right now. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? This is quite heartbreaking. Okay, I don't like these kind of readings. They put me in a very heavy energy. From your side, you just want to focus on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your everything, your independence. It's like you want to claim your independence. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Pentacles. We have the Two of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. You just want to let go of this on and off, in and out, full of confusion kind of energy, and find your inner peace, find your inner balance. Right now, Capricorn, even if you have option or options, you are not able to understand what you should do. So that's why you just want to focus on yourself, your money, your job, your growth, your success, and your independence, and your inner peace and your inner balance. This is what you are very focused on at this present moment, and this is what you want. Okay, let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 16th of Feb, Cappies. Let's see what's happening. We have the Six of Wands. It's like success and victory. Okay, let me clarify the Six of Wands in order to get a clear picture of the outcome here. Let's clarify the Six of Wands. We have the King of Wands, the Knight of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, it's like whatever is going on right now, it's a temporary phase of your life. I do see somebody taking action to resolve the issue between you and them. It's like a wish fulfillment on the cards for you guys by the end of this week. Somebody is going to come forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, some kind of peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation between you and your person, and things are going to be resolved up to a certain extent between you guys. Now what is going to happen next is completely up to you after this resolving the issue kind of a deal, because it's like it's your wish fulfillment to get that communication, so that you guys can be vulnerable in front of each other and express your feelings with each other. That's happening, and after that, that's completely your choice and your decision, right? Free will. For you, the guidance here is the Ace of Swords in reverse. So I'm like holding this. No, I'm not holding this deck in reverse. This card is in reverse. So for you, the mental clarity is very, very important that you are not having right now at this present moment. But don't be too harsh on yourself. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Don't be too harsh on the other person here. Yes, definitely clear the air with them, but be compassionate, kind, and loving towards yourself first, and then the other energy also. Okay, if you are going to be in this ruthless and detached and cold energy, so it's not going to get resolved. You have to handle it with care and love for yourself as well, and the other energy as well. That's the deal here. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.